They have clearly been designed with California in mind. That said, California has different seismic zones, and we have not had this scrutinized and approved all over the state. In our very specific jurisdictions where it's been approved, it has been approved for the seismic loads in those areas accordingly. Having said that, our construction style, if you can imagine the system, it's similar to a parking garage, a concrete parking garage with posts and decks and beams and so on. And certainly parking garages exist in the highest of seismic zones. It just might require bigger rebar and more concrete, that's all. So it can be done. We haven't done it everywhere, but we haven't had the need.